wanted to see me and hear from me, and we'll let you know I'm still here. Things are, we're out. We're all out here. We're at a place called Ayala Mall North, and I came inside. To the outside, they've got so much music going on. It's all copyrighted, so I came inside so I can make a little bit of a video. This is inside the mall on the north end, and there's some excitement going on, I guess, so let me see what's over here. Okay, what this looks like, it's a job fair. All these young candidates trying to get work. Dream builders over here, probably looking for salespeople for their subdivisions. Cirrus Mart, looking for help. Toyota, Negros Occidental, they're looking for employees. Transcom, which is an online, sales staff. Marketing. Wilcon Building Materials. There's a lot of people, a lot of employers up here. And this is what happens with a job fair. And I'm surprised there's not a lot of loud music going on in here. All these new aspiring employees. Well, let me go outside. Rose and VJ are outside. So let me go out. They're all filling out applications over here. Let me go back outside, and I'm gonna have to get away from that music, but we got out, and it's only a quick little tricycle ride over here from our place. So this is one of the closest places we can go without finding a taxi and hiring one. Back through here, this little canopy over here with the artwork and stuff, they keep that canopy up all the time, and they're selling historical stuff, items, paintings, just little knickknacks, and I got some food. I got a couple of pictures of the food and some of the trinkets they sell. So here I am. I am alive still. I'll try to cover that. I had a bad morning the other morning, so I'll try to cover that for you. But I get a lot of people have been, both email and on the channel, have been asking me, Mike, where's Mike? We're hearing a lot of Rose, but how's Mike doing? We got to hear from him. But I'm here, and we'll take you outside, and we'll go on up the other end of the courtyard, where it's a lot quieter and we'll be able to film. See ya. Okay, we came outside. I'm outside now. Here's the crew. That's Jordan. Smile. That's Jordan. And what is your name, ma'am?
Oh, my name is Unknown.
Unknown. Special guest unknown. Okay.
A good person, unknown.
Unknown. Sometimes those are the best people, the unknowns. Okay, we're outside. Got Metro Supermarket, is that what it's called?
District Ayala Northpoint.
But the food, the grocery store back here.
Yeah.
What's it called? Metro grocery store. And I think they have Metro hardware somewhere.
It's mixed. It's
all at one time.
Groceries.
Okay. But this is it. This is out in the courtyard side. And there are the tents that we saw earlier, and I can hear the music in the background, but I don't want to get a copyright strike on YouTube. That's the entrance that we came out of, and we've got a whole lot of empty spots here. These two over here are empty. This just changed ownership and went to a Korean restaurant. This one's the Army and Navy. They got burgers and burritos, and the burritos that the guys fussed at me about eating with my subscriber. The burrito is actually just a tortilla with rice and chicken in it. It's not a greasy beef enchilada type burrito, so it's pretty good. It's pretty easy to eat and good on me health wise. So when somebody saw those burritos, or several people saw the burritos, they said, "Oh, you're eating the wrong foods." They got a kiddie park out here, and probably a little later, Rose and I are going to get up there and get on the rides. And we got a lot of these places over here on the backside are also closed. Rose said she was here with her husband 10 years ago. Let's start walking. 10 years ago, she said it was full, and all these places were occupied. But now there's so much vacancy over here. There's about 5 or 6 spaces there that are empty. Okay, we've got a hopscotch. I think I'm ready to do some hopscotch. You know how to do hopscotch?
No.
You don't?
What was that?
Hopscotch. Maybe him and I can do it.
Okay. Oh.
You seen that before?
Oh, okay.
All right, let me see y'all do the hopscotch. There you go. One more time.
No.
One more time. That's cheating. That's cheating. Okay, Jordan, your turn. No. There's some more empty ones over here. They've got the Terrace Bistro. They got some other restaurants, and they're all the empty ones over here. The LC Dimension houses, I think, is L. Fisher Incorporated. They've got a couple L. Fisher hotels down in Bacolod City. And then down here in the corner, we've got a restaurant called Wingmaster. There's an American married to a Filipina, and I have to say that she opened the restaurant with his influence, of course. And they actually sell American breakfast with real American sausage and bacon in the mornings. One of the few places I've seen it. I saw one more down in Tagbilaran a 3 years ago, and he sells primarily all American foods, and he does quite well. Then over here we've got a 7-Eleven parked in the middle. And then back in the back here, we have, this is a call center, just like that other one was that I showed you. But this is a big call center going on. And then the guy in the orange outfit is a rescue, fire, I'm sure fire and health rescue.
You get... Ouch.
And here's my little magnet here.
Not a magnet.
It's no magnet.
No.
Gotta take the zoom out. You're my little magnet.
I'm not a magnet.
You're a magnet?
You know better than that.
Magnets are good. I didn't say magnet, I said magnet.
Magnet, it's just like wherever he's going, he wears stick.
You want to go with me?
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with that. I enjoy it. He's a great kid. Most of the time. I mean, when he's sleeping, he's a good kid.
That's true.
Just very shy.
So do I am I.
Who are you?
Yes.
You're.
I am very shy.
You're the big magnet.
I am very shy in camera.
But you're getting better. You're getting better. I'm proud of you too. You're doing a great job with the videos.
Yep. I try.
Okay.